The Mi-24 helicopter is equipped with a dual explosive machine gun. It's also got 24 barrage missiles, alongside 4 heat-seeking missiles. It also comes prepared with flares, to help deflect any enemy missiles. The helicopter overall has really good handling as is super easy to control. The Mi-24 is also lethal to shields, able to completely destroy them within minutes. The helicopter does cost 999 Robux, which isn't particularly cheap. However, for that price it's one of the most powerful things in War Tycoon. But overall an amazing game pass.